4, 3, 2, 1. Shall we begin?
Welcome to Crafting with Cos. I'm Cos. In today's project, I am going to be furniture flipping this old stained wood table into a retro 50s inspired side table. So I used a combination of materials that I didn't necessarily need. So stay tuned to the rest of this video so you can not make some of the same mistakes that I made. I took a trip to the store to get the most affordable sander, and then I started sanding down some of the finish that was already on the table, as well as I took off the hardware to make sure that I got a good sand on all of the parts. So after I sanded down the table, I started off the painting process by using some white primer on the table, but a good tip that I found out from one of the associates at Home Depot is that it's best on bright colors to use like a gray primer instead of maybe a white primer. So I actually ended up going to the store and color matching the spray paint that I decided to use. And if I had to do it all over again, I probably wouldn't have used spray paint for this project. I would have just used roller paint because it would have saved me a lot more coats probably, as well as my thumbs wouldn't be numb. So now I have to work on actually cleaning up the garage floor because the wind blew the spray paint and basically made my garage floor with speckles of blue. So then I had this bright idea that I wanted the piece to feel unique and custom. So I got some craft sticks from the store and I spray painted those black and white and used that as some type of decorative design on the top and on the side of the drawer. Added some more gloss for some more shine, but this step could have been avoided just by using some high gloss paint in the first place.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Yeah.